Hello, and welcome back to Logic and Language Lounge, the podcast for learners who want to find their voice and speak English with confidence and joy. I'm Alex, and I am here to help you move from feeling stuck to feeling free. As always, I will be speaking slowly and clearly, so you can understand every word, follow my rhythm, and relax while you learn. In today's episode, we are going to solve a very big problem. It is a problem that slows you down. It is a problem that makes you feel nervous. It is the translation trap. What is the translation trap? It happens when you hear English, you translate it into your native language, you think of an answer, and then you translate it back into English. This takes time. It is exhausting. And it makes you feel like you are always one step behind. Today, I want to teach you how to stop translating and start thinking in English. You don't need to be advanced to do this. You don't need a large vocabulary. You just need a new way to look at the world. Let's start with a technique I call the narrator. Do you know what a narrator is? In a movie, the narrator is the voice that describes the story. To think in English, you must become the narrator of your own life. It is very simple. As you go through your day, you describe exactly what you are doing. But you must use simple sentences. Don't look for difficult words. Use the words you already know. Let's practice this right now. I will act out a situation, and I want you to repeat the thoughts after me. Don't translate them. Just imagine the action and say the words. Imagine you are making coffee. Repeat after me. I am walking to the kitchen. I take a cup. The coffee smells good. I am ready to start my day. Excellent! Did you see what happened? You didn't need your native language. You connected the action directly to the English words. This is how babies learn. They see and they say. Now, let me give you 3 small tips to practice this every day. Tip number 1, the one-word label. If you are a beginner, full sentences might be too hard. That is okay. Start with just one word. Look around your room right now. Name 3 things you see in English. Lamp, window, phone. Don't think of the word in your language first. Look at the object and throw the English label on it immediately. Tip number 2. The 5 cents check. When you are waiting for the bus or waiting in line, do a check. Ask yourself simple questions. What do I see? I see a red car. What do I hear? I hear a bird. What do I feel? I feel cold wind. This keeps your brain active in English even when you are alone. Tip number 3. Talk to your reflection. This might feel funny, but it works. When you look in the mirror in the morning, say 3 things about yourself. My hair is messy. My shirt is blue. I look tired. Making English real means using it to describe your reality.
Many students ask me, "But Tom, what if I don't know a word? What if I get stuck?" Here is the secret. It doesn't matter. If you don't know the word for refrigerator, just say the cold box or the kitchen machine. Thinking in English is not about being perfect. It is about being creative. It is about finding a way to communicate your idea without going back to your native language.
If you practice being the narrator for just 5 minutes a day, the translation trap will disappear. You will stop calculating grammar. You will stop translating words, and you will start speaking from your heart. English is not a test you have to pass. It is a tool you get to use. So today, as you finish this podcast, look around you. Describe your world. Be the narrator of your own story. Thank you for listening to Logic and Language Lounge. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep shining.